Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how we can reorder apps on the home screen. So at the first we have to go for the settings, then scroll down to the device preferences, next scroll down all the way down to the home screen. When we are here we can easily reorder apps by going below for apps right here. And here, when you click one of the application and then drag it, for example for the Prime Video, we are going to change the position of them. So you select application by clicking OK and then dragging below with arrows. When you want to finish, for example you want to get Prime Video on the left bottom corner, click OK to confirm, and we can also change position of Google Play games. Click and then move with your arrows. As you can see, it's very simple. We can also grab YouTube for the second place and Netflix instead of the Google Play, and the same with YouTube Music. And maybe we can also replace Facebook Watch with Google Play games. And if you reorder your apps, you can simply go back. You can do the same with your games, but unfortunately I don't have any games here, so I'm not able to do it, but that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.